Hello and good morning everyone. You know that after ending the chapter structure of atom, the next chapter we have to see is nothing but here modern periodic table. In this chapter we have to study in details what is the long form of periodic table. वैसे आपको तो उसका आइडिया होगा क्योंकि प्रीवियसली इन द 10th स्टैंडर्ड इन द लास्ट ईयर यू मस्ट हैव स्टडीड द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, सो यू नो दैट बेटर. अभी यहाँ पे जो सिग्निफिकेंस है, सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, if you see it properly, right now we can say there is a there are 118 elements, we know that. So right now 118 elements are discovered yet. लेकिन पता है आपको in the year 1800 near about 31 elements were discovered. 31 elements were discovered in the year 1800. Then in the year 1885 near about 63 elements were discovered. 63 elements were discovered in the year 1885. So अभी ये एलिमेंट का अगर पढ़ाई कर मतलब इनको के बारे में जानना है तो इनका सिस्टमैटिक क्लासिफिकेशन करना इट वाज नेसेसरी. दैट्स व्हाई डिफरेंट साइंटिस्ट दे ट्राइड फॉर द क्लासिफिकेशन. तो सबसे पहले यहां पे मैं बात करूंगा डोबे राइनर की. I think that he was the first scientist who classified the element. I mean, he tried to classify the elements, and it was the year 1870. Actually, उसने मालूम है क्या किया यहाँ पे? He made the group of 3 elements, like here, lithium, sodium, potassium. Now if you see the properties of lithium, sodium and potassium, they were the same. So he made the group of 3 elements and he arranged those elements in order of increasing their atomic masses. अगर देखा जाए तो atomic masses इनके हैं, atomic mass is 7, 23 and 39. So he arranged the elements in order of increasing their atomic masses. When he arranged the elements in order of increasing their atomic mass, then he found that the average of first and last element, I mean third element in the triad. Now see, right? अगर आप देखेंगे यहाँ पे तो 7 plus 39 divided by 2, yes, it's a 46 divided by 2, that is equal to 23, and you know that it is nothing but the atomic mass of the sodium. So you know that Debye-Reiner, he classified the 3 elements. That's why he given the name triad. Just like triangle, because there are 3 angles are there. So in the same manner here, he made the group of 3 elements, and that's why they are known as a triads. So when he arranged the elements in order of increasing their atomic masses, he found that the atomic mass of the middle element is equal to the average of the first and the last element in the triad. Okay, so for the first time he attempted the classification, but unfortunately he could not classify all the elements known at that time. उसके बाद में आपको पता होगा different scientists were there, but I will टेल यू मोस्टली हियर जो है न्यूलैंड्स का क्लासिफिकेशन, यू नो दैट न्यूलैंड्स octaves, maybe in the year 1865 or 64. In some books it is given as 65 and in some books it is given 1864. So 1864 or 65 we can say here, Newland did the same thing. He arranged the elements in order of increasing their atomic mass. So like suppose here lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium and calcium. So he arranged the elements in order of, yes, increasing atomic masses. When he arranged the elements in order of their increasing atomic masses, he found that the properties of the first element were exactly same as that of the eighth element. I mean, it was just like an octaves of music. You know that octaves of music? Sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. Sa आता है पहली बार और सा बाद में आता है, you know, 8th time. I mean 8वीं बार. So you know that here sa. So here sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. I mean the properties of the first element and every 8 element after that, they were quite similar. अगर हम बात करेंगे यहाँ पे तो lithium and sodium, they are having same property. Boron, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the properties of the first element and every 8 element after that, they were quite similar. So in this way, Newlands, he made the classification. Okay, now see one thing here. Actually, he could not classify all the elements known at that time. So that's why his classification was failed. Meanwhile, different scientists, they also classified the elements. It includes, you know, that Crookes homologous as, you know, series classification. Then so ऐसे बहुत सारे scientists हुए, but for the first time, you know, the scientist who successfully classified the element for the first time, and he was nothing but Mendeleev. So you know that Mendeleev. Mendeleev's periodic table. Now see, like Dobbe-Reiner and Newland, Mendeleev also classified the element. I mean, he arranged the elements in order of increasing their atomic masses. When he arranged the elements in order of increasing their atomic masses, he found that properties of some elements were, you know, they were repeated. So देखो अभी यहाँ पे मैंने जो वर्ड लिखा है periodic means after certain interval it gets, you know, repeat itself. इसका मीनिंग होता है periodic. So when he arranged the elements in order of increasing their atomic masses, he found that properties of the elements were repeated after a certain time interval. That's why it is known as a periodic. So he given the law, इसका नाम है Mendeleev's periodic law, and the law states that here physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. The meaning is very simple. Physical and the chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. मतलब when the elements are arranged in order of their increasing atomic mass, then after a certain time interval, I mean after in a definite interval, properties of the elements they are quite similar, just like हमने यहाँ पे देखा लिथियम एंड सोडियम. So in this way मेंडेलीव ने अपने पीरियड टेबल में कुछ चेंजेस किए थे, आपको पता है. अभी इसने जो टेबल बनाया था इन द यू नो दैट द टेबल ऑफ हिम, देयर वेयर 8 vertical columns were there. There were 8 vertical columns. You know that 8 vertical columns, and they are known as groups. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there were 8 vertical columns and it is known as, they are known as the groups, and there were 7 horizontal rows, and they are known as, they are known as periods. So here it's a period number 1, period number 2, period number 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one more should be there. So I will draw this outline here, और ये है 7. So in this way, तो यहाँ पे ये जो है ये है पीरियड नंबर 1, पीरियड नंबर 2, पीरियड नंबर 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now actually he made the 2 subgroups. अगर यहाँ पे ये ग्रुप है 1, तो इसमें वापस उसने 2 बनाए सब ग्रुप्स, और वो थे A and B. Okay. Now the elements which are present in the same group, they are having similar general properties. Remember. So in this way Mendeleev classified the elements. Now see, in case of Mendeleev, the work he did, it was very nice work, because he was the first scientist who successfully classified all the known elements at that time. Secondly, that जब उसको लगा कि कुछ एटॉमिक मासेस में डिफरेंस आ रहा है, so accordingly he made the changes. Okay. And also he found the 3 elements, and he also, I will say, predicted their properties. Predicted. Okay. Actually he given the name Ica boron, Ica aluminum and Ica silicon. तो उसने यहाँ पे Ica boron, Ica aluminum and Ica silicon ऐसे 3 एलिमेंट्स के बारे में उसने किया था predict, and that they were having same property. After their discovery they were given the name scandium, gallium and germanium. So these are the merits of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Okay. But at the same time it also has some demerits, like regarding the position of hydrogen. If you see it properly, hydrogen को कहाँ पे place करें? Because hydrogen shows the property both of alkali metals as well as like halogens. So exact position of hydrogen cannot be properly justified, properly given by the Mendeleev. सेकेंड थिंग, इन केस ऑफ आइसोटोप्स, हमें पता है क्या होते हैं आइसोटोप्स, हाइड्रोजन हाइड्रोजन एंड हाइड्रोजन. सपोज हियर 1 1 1 1 2 3 और ये है आइसोटोप्स. अगर हम इनकी बात करें तो इनके एटॉमिक नंबर्स सेम है, एटॉमिक मास नंबर्स अलग अलग है. तो इफ यू सी इट प्रॉपरली, उसने एलिमेंट को अरेंज किया था इन ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग द एटॉमिक मास. तो एक्चुअली इसका एटॉमिक मास अगर आप देखोगे तो है 1, इसका 2, इसका 3, ये है एटॉमिक मासेस. सो दे आर हैविंग डिफरेंट एटॉमिक मासेस. तो इसका जो पोजीशन है ये होना चाहिए यहां पे, यू नो दैट सेकंड एलिमेंट इन द सेकंड ग्रुप लाइक दिस. बट एट द सेम टाइम आइसोटोप्स दे आर हैविंग सेम प्रॉपर्टीज. नाउ यू कैन सी देयर इज कंफ्यूजन. एटॉमिक मास की अगर हम बात करें, so they are placed in order of, you know, that in the first, second and third group respectively. But on the other hand they are having the same chemical property. तो अगर इनकी प्रॉपर्टी सेम है तो वो एक ही ग्रुप में आने चाहिए, लेकिन इनके एटॉमिक मास नंबर्स अलग अलग है, मतलब वो आने चाहिए दूसरे दूसरे ग्रुप में. इस तरीके से प्रॉब्लम हुआ regarding the position of hydrogen as well as position of isotopes. Second, then noble gases जो है, he could not classify the noble gases at that time also. तो noble gases के बारे में उसने बाद में फिर क्या था. Then I think first of all you just write down this all these things. I will tell you one more things. इसके बाद हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे क्या है मॉडर्न पीरियड टेबल. ओके, एक्चुअली नोबल गैसेस को उसने बाद में फिर अटैच किया था इस ग्रुप, उसके पीरियड टेबल में. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू हियर, इन केस ऑफ मेंडेलीव जो थे इसके ड्रॉबैक्स, द फर्स्ट वन आई टोल्ड यू दैट he could not place hydrogen properly. Second thing, isotopes, he was confused regarding the position of, you know, isotopes. क्योंकि अगर इनको, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि एक ग्रुप में प्लेस किया जाए तो उनके एटॉमिक मासेस अलग अलग थे. At the same time, you know that isotopes, they were having the same property, so they should come in a first group, I mean in a single group. Okay, so in this way, as well as one problem was there regarding that, you know, that he also placed manganese element in the group of halogens. Now see, manganese is different element than the halogens, but you know he placed manganese in the group of halogens. However, his classification was too good. After that, in the beginning of 20th century, 20th, you know, in the year 1913, Henry Moseley, he studied some, you know, spectroscopy, X-ray, you know, experiments. Then he found that, you know, that the frequency of the X-ray emitted, the frequency of the X-ray emitted by every element, it is, you know, depending on the atomic number. So on the basis of study of X-ray spectroscopy, he found that the frequency of, yes, X-rays emitted by the elements is related with atomic number and not atomic mass number. So Moseley, actually he given the preference to atomic number, and then you know that atomic number के लिए symbol है Z. So mostly he classified the element, I mean he arranged the elements in order of increasing their atomic numbers. When he arranged the elements in order of their increasing atomic number, he found that the properties of the elements were repeated again and again. So again he given the law, I mean the first law it was given by the Mendeleev. It was that Mendeleev's periodic law. Now here it's a modern periodic law. It states that physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. इसका मतलब ये है, when the elements are arranged in order of increasing their atomic numbers, then the properties of certain elements they will get repeat. तो ऐसे एलिमेंट जिनकी प्रॉपर्टी सेम आ रही है, इनको वहां पे उसने प्रेस किया एक ही ग्रुप में. Now you know that in case of Mendeleev there were 8 groups, but here in this periodic table there is a presence of that 18 groups, I mean 18 vertical columns. Vertical columns को हम बोलेंगे group, and there were 7 horizontal rows, and they are called as periods. So in the modern periodic table, जिसका नाम और एक नाम है, it is also known as a long form of periodic table. It is also known as a long form of the periodic table. ठीक है? So इस तरीके से, या फिर we can say here modern periodic table, but याद रखिएगा मोस्टली ने एटॉमिक नंबर को प्रेफरेंस दिया. He arranged the elements in order of increasing their atomic number. Dobereiner, Newlands, as well as that Mendeleev, that they all given the preference to atomic mass number, but mostly was the scientists who classified the elements on the basis of their atomic numbers and not the atomic mass numbers. Atomic numbers को उसने प्रेफरेंस दिया. इससे जो भी थे ड्रॉबैक्स वो पूरे अभी सॉल्व हो गए. मतलब सो ये है, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ लॉन्ग फॉर्म ऑफ द periodic टेबल हियर. तो अगर बात हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे अभी इन डिटेल में कि क्या होता है मॉडर्न periodic टेबल, and I will tell you how to remember it. I will give some tips to remember the long form of the periodic table. Okay, so that you can understand very easily. अभी यहाँ पे अगर हम देखेंगे तो जितने भी यहाँ पे ग्रुप्स हैं, the properties of the elements present in a single group are quite similar. Okay, अभी यहाँ पे उसने जैसे अभी मैंने पूरा निकाला नहीं है, but let me tell you, this is the group number. So group number 1, group number 2, like this 18 groups are there, and you know that there is a presence of vertical columns also. Okay, and this is known as a modern periodic law. अभी हम जानेंगे कैसा होता है modern periodic table. Okay, but you can note down these things. अभी इसमें मालूम है क्या हुआ, जितने भी ड्रॉबैक्स थे मेंडलीव के periodic टेबल के या फिर तीनों के, ये पूरी तरह से क्लियर हो गए. अभी भी हम इसको यूज करते हैं. यू नो दैट द न्यू एलिमेंट्स दे गेट डिस्कवर्ड एंड they are get placed in the long form of the periodic table. So some elements they are naturally occurring, some elements they can be prepared in the laboratory also. So उनको हम यहाँ पे क्लासीफाई करते हैं. First of all, note down these things, then I will rub this. Now see, here is the outline of the long form of periodic table. अभी इसमें जैसे कि मैं आपको बोला, जो भी है वर्टिकल कॉलम्स दे आर नोन एज अ ग्रुप्स. अभी यहाँ पे हम बात करेंगे इस ग्रुप की. तो ये है फर्स्ट ग्रुप. इट हैज फर्स्ट एलिमेंट हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, cesium and francium. You know that this is the group of alkali metals. So alkali metals. Okay, so this is the first group. Then second group जो है, this is the group of alkaline earth metals. It has the elements beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. So ये है group number 1 and ये है group number 2. Group number I will give here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. So in this way there are totally 18 vertical columns and they are known as the groups. Okay, तो यहाँ पे ये हो गया फर्स्ट ग्रुप जो कि है अल्कली मेटल्स का, और ये है सेकेंड ग्रुप जो है अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल्स का. बाद में ग्रुप नंबर 3 टू ग्रुप नंबर 12 की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आई विल राइट हियर फर्स्ट सीरीज, और वो है 3D सीरीज. स्कैंडियम, टिटेनियम, वैनेडियम, क्रोमियम, मैंगनीज, आयरन, कोबाल्ट, निकेल, कॉपर and zinc. You know that these are the elements from group number 3 to 12. They are also known as transition elements. So these are the elements. They are also known as transition elements. Okay. Now the next one is here from ग्रुप नंबर 13 टू ग्रुप नंबर 18 की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पे देखिए हाइड्रोजन के बाद यहाँ पे है हेलियम, लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, फ्लोरीन एंड नियॉन, सोडियम, मैग्नीशियम, एल्यूमिनियम, सिलिकॉन, फास्फोरस, सल्फर, क्लोरीन एंड आर्गन. Yes, now you can see group wise helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium, nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead, boron, aluminium, gallium, indium and thallium. Now you can see ये जो एलिमेंट्स यहाँ पे लिखे हैं, you know that अगर हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पे देखिए all these elements they are classified likewise. यहाँ पे ये है ग्रुप नंबर 18 and this is the group of noble gases, or you can say here inert gases. Inert gases because their cells are completely filled, they do not take part in the chemical reactions. Then group number 17 is here and is nothing but the group of halogens. Mostly they are obtained from the sea salts, you know, समुद्रापासून ते आपल्यामध्ये असतात. So fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So you know these are the 4 important groups that you have to remember. Okay. अगर हम यहाँ पे बात करें तो इसमें आएंगे बहुत सारे नॉर्मल एलिमेंट्स. So now नीचे यहाँ पे जो दिए हैं यू नो दैट दे आर आल्सो नोन एज लैंथेनाइड्स। तो हम पहले बात करेंगे कि यहाँ पे ओवरऑल एलिमेंट्स आर क्लासिफाइड इनटू 4 ब्लॉक्स। यू नो दैट प्रीवियस चैप्टर में हमने देखा था कि कैसे हम लोग क्लासिफाई करते हैं, आई मीन एस ब्लॉक, पी ब्लॉक। तो लेट मी टेल यू हियर, द ग्रुप नंबर 1 and 2 they are known as S block elements. All you know that from group number 3 to 12 they are known as D block elements. Group number 13 to group number 18 they are called as P block elements. The reason is their last electron will enter in the p subshell. At the bottom of the periodic table there is a presence of f block elements. So if you see it properly, all the elements they are classified into 4 blocks: S block, P block, D block and F block. In Marathi, S khand, then P खंड, लाइक दिस, आपको पता है। तो यहां पे ये जो है द एलिमेंट्स इन दिस सीरीज, इट इज नोन एज लैंथेनाइड्स, और ये जो है दे आर नोन एज एक्टिनाइड्स। द रीजन इज दैट, देखिए यहां पे सब के सब होते हैं लैंथेनाइड्स। You know that it includes cerium, prazodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, yes, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, then holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium, and last one is lutetium. So all these elements, cerium, prazodymium, neodymium, promethium, samarium, europium, gadolinium, terbium, dysprosium, holmium, erbium, thulium, ytterbium and lutetium. So all these elements they are known as lanthanides. You know that अभी ये हमने जानकारी ली है रिगार्डिंग द ग्रुप्स। अभी हम देखेंगे पीरियड्स की बात करेंगे हम यहाँ पे। So if you see it properly, this is period number 1. You know that period number 1 it has only 2 elements. So green marker मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है और यहाँ पे हम देखेंगे periods क्या आएंगे। Period number 2 and 3 की अगर हम बात करते हैं, देखो lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. It has 8 elements. So they have 8 elements. Each, and the first group if you see it is known as period, it is known as shortest period. Group number 3, period number 3 and period number 2 and 3 they are known as short periods. They are known as short periods. Period number you can see here, ये है period number 1, ये है 2, 3, ये है 4 and ये है 5. 4 and 5 इनमें है 18 elements each. And you know that they are known as long periods. Long. Period number 6 is known as longest period. Longest period, क्योंकि इसमें ये आएंगे 18 और ठीक यहाँ पे आता है लैंथैनम। लैंथैनम ऑनवर्ड्स के जो एलिमेंट्स है फ्रॉम एटॉमिक नंबर 58 टू एटॉमिक नंबर 71, सो ये आएंगे इसमें 18 और ये आएंगे 14, कुल मिला के हो जाएंगे। सो you can see here cesium, barium, lanthanum and then from cerium onwards to Lu, फिर वापस यहाँ पे आएगा 72। तो यहाँ पे ये आएंगे 18 और ये है 14, कुल मिलाकर लॉन्गेस्ट पीरियड जो है इसमें आते हैं 32 एलिमेंट्स. दैट्स व्हाई पीरियड नंबर 6 इज नोन एज अ लॉन्गेस्ट पीरियड. पीरियड नंबर 7, इफ यू सी, इट इज नोन एज इनकम्प्लीट पीरियड. इट इज नोन एज इनकम्प्लीट पीरियड. ओके, और जब भी यहां पे डिस्कवरी होता रहता है दैट एलिमेंट कैन बी प्लेस हियर प्रॉपरली. अगर हम बात करते हैं इनकी तो नीचे वाले एलिमेंट्स की, तो यहाँ पे है एक्टिनियम है, और एक्टिनियम से ठीक नीचे के एलिमेंट जो है दे आर फॉलोड बाय एक्टिनियम. दैट्स व्हाई दे आर आल्सो नोन एज एक्टिनाइड्स. ओके, सो आई जस्ट थिंक दैट यू शुड नोट डाउन ऑल दिस थिंग्स. चलो अब यहाँ पे बात करते हैं. पीरियड नंबर फर्स्ट स्टार्ट्स विथ, आई विल टेक a scale here to show you properly. Period number 1 starts with hydrogen, ends with helium. It is known as shortest period. Period number 2 and 3. Period number 2 starts with lithium and ends with neon. Period number 3 starts with sodium and ends with argon. It has 8 elements each. They are known as the short periods. Period number 4 and 5, they contain 18 elements each. They are known as the long periods. Period number 6 starts with cesium and ends with radon. Okay? Period number 5 की बात करें तो रुबिडियम से शुरू होता है और ये होता है xenon पे एंड होता है. Period number 6 की बात करें तो cesium से शुरू होगा, from cesium and it will end to radon. Period number 7 is incomplete. It starts with francium but ends with, can't say, because new elements they get added. So in this way, this is just outline of the modern periodic table, long form of periodic table. अगर हम यहाँ पे देखेंगे तो ग्रुप नंबर का क्या है सिग्निफिकेंस. ग्रुप नंबर जो भी होगा, you know that group number, it indicates the number of electrons present in outermost shell. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हम बात करेंगे मैग्नीशियम की, तो मैग्नीशियम का यहाँ पे है 282 होता है कॉन्फ़िगरेशन, एंड यू कैन सी इट इज प्रेजेंट इन द ग्रुप नंबर 2 बिकॉज देयर इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अगर आप यहाँ पे बोलोगे तो यहाँ पे ग्रुप नंबर है 17, बट यू नो दैट आपको पता है फर्स्ट ए, सेकेंड ए या बी, ऐसे भी हम इनको क्लासिफाई करते रहते हैं एलिमेंट्स को. तो ये है जीरो ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स. नोबल गैसेस जो है इट आल्सो नोन एज जीरो ग्रुप एलिमेंट्स बिकॉज देयर वैलेंसी इज जीरो. अगर हम बात यहां पे करेंगे पीरियड नंबर की, पीरियड नंबर इट इंडिकेट्स नंबर ऑफ शेल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल पोटेशियम क्या है 2 8 8 कितनी 1. कितने सेल्स है यहाँ पे फर्स्ट 1 2 3 4 सेल्स आर देयर. एंड इफ यू सी पीरियड नंबर ऑफ पोटेशियम इट आल्सो इक्वल टू 4. जितने भी यहाँ पे एलिमेंट्स है पीरियड 4 में, इन सब में 4 सेल्स ही आएंगे. सो इन दिस वे वी कैन क्लासिफाई द